Guys, if you wish to enjoy a very crunchy, tasty, and flexible chicken, this is the time for you to do that. I always told you guys there is ways to of doing this. I have the most incredible recipe ever. I have the most incredible. This is white pepper, right? Yeah. Guys, follow this recipe to achieve your best and easiest way in seasoning your chicken. And the next is black pepper. I go in with black pepper, thoroughly mix it. I do not use cube seasoning for my chicken. I normally use salt only, and I had to use just a pinch of salt here. The next ingredients here was I think curry also. Yeah, exactly, curry. I added some amount of curry powder in it. And guys, just follow the recipe. Be rest assured your chicken will come out the best ever. Follow this recipe in your chicken seasoning. And once that is done, I added another curry because I wasn't having it at all, and I had to separately added some ginger, garlic, and yeah, this was the time I added the salt, a pinch of salt. Excuse me. And I added some ginger, garlic, and I think chili. Yeah, ginger, garlic, and chili because I want it to come out so well. And this was it because I will be frying this chicken. So, and for it to not to be non-sticky, I added a little amount of liquid, so it should come out so perfect. Guys, thank you so much. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. This was the time to transfer it, and that was it. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.